Good afternoon, team.
Afternoon.
My name is Begam Konto from Ada Glass Packaging. Thanks to the management that are here, and thanks to the Dyna team for bringing this to our training, to make sure that our training is on par. I've been into the leadership for quite some time, not knowing that what I'm doing, there's something that I lack of how to do, how to hold people accountable in a professional way. Accountability, it was something that I didn't focus much on it. As much as I'm a leader for effective team, I need to make sure that accountability and responsibility takes place. Thank you.